Welcome back, investors. Buckle up for a wild ride. This week, the market threw everything at us. Meme stock surges, inflation jitters, and surprise earnings beats. Let's unpack the key events that shaped the week of May 13th to 17th, 2024. First up, a blast from the past. Meme stocks. GameStop and AMC experienced a dramatic surge, reminding everyone of the frenzy of 2021. But what sparked this unexpected rally? The return of Keith Gill, aka Roaring Kitty, on social media might have played a role. However, the bigger story is high short interest in both companies, making them vulnerable to short squeezes fueled by renewed retail investor enthusiasm. We also saw a surprising surge in Faraday Future, FFIE, an electric vehicle startup. FFIE shares similar traits to classic meme stocks: young company, passionate online following, and high short interest. This dramatic price increase suggests significant buying pressure, potentially from retail investors. It's important to remember the volatility inherent in meme stocks. While the potential for explosive gains exists, so does the risk of significant losses. We will be covering this stock in the upcoming week as well. This has potential for a short squeeze and blast off. We would need the momentum to continue into this week, and this can be a rocket from here. This week will tell us a lot. Shifting gears, Wednesday's inflation data release sent a shockwave through the market. The numbers came in hotter than expected, raising concerns about rising prices and potential interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve. This news hit growth stocks like technology companies particularly hard. Investors worry that higher interest rates could eat into future profits. On the other hand, some defensive sectors like consumer staples, known for their consistent performance, might have found temporary favor during this period of uncertainty, keeping your eyes on the prize upcoming events. So what's next for the market? Here are some key events to keep on your radar. Earnings season continues. Several major companies are reporting earnings next week, which could spark movement in specific sectors. Federal Reserve meeting. The Fed will be meeting to discuss potential interest rate adjustments. This could have a significant impact on the broader market. Geopolitical events. Keep an eye on any developing geopolitical tensions that could impact markets globally. Investing wisely in a volatile market. The market can be unpredictable, but don't let that discourage you. Here are some tips to navigate the volatility. Follow credible financial news sources to stay updated on major events and trends. Do your own research before making any investment decision. Don't rely solely on speculation or hype. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals. Invest within your means and for your long-term objectives. Remember to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this.